In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Chrome for beginners. If you're brand new to Chrome, think of it as your doorway to the internet. It's the tool you use to search Google, visit websites, watch videos, and download files. Let's walk through the basics together so you feel comfortable from the very first click. Go ahead and open Chrome by selecting the Chrome icon on your desktop or from your Start menu. When the window opens, your main focus is the bar at the very top. This long box is the address bar, and it's where almost everything happens. You can type a full website address like youtube.com if you know exactly where you want to go. Or you can simply type a question or a phrase such as weather today and press enter. Chrome will search for you directly from this bar, so there's no need to visit a separate search page first. To open a website, type what you want, press enter, and then click a result if you search for something. If you typed a specific address, you'll go straight to that site. It's that simple. As you browse, you'll see tabs across the top. Each tab is like a separate page, which makes multitasking easy. To open a new tab, press Ctrl+T. Click on a tab to switch to it, and click the small X on a tab to close it. Keeping related pages in their own tabs helps you stay organized. If you find a website you want to return to, save it as a bookmark. Click the star icon at the right edge of the address bar. Give it a name if you like, and save it. Later, you can access your bookmarks from the bookmarks bar or the bookmarks menu, which is a quick way to jump back to your favorites. When you download files in Chrome, clicking a download link will save the file to your computer, usually to your downloads folder. If you want to choose exactly where it goes, right-click the link and select Save As, then pick a location. For private browsing, open the three dots in the top right corner and choose New Incognito Window. In Incognito, Chrome won't save your browsing history or store cookies after you close the window, which is helpful when you're using a shared device. Finally, let's customize a few basics. Click the three dots, then Settings. Here you can set your homepage, manage how and where downloads are saved, choose your default search engine, and turn on dark mode for a more comfortable look. That's it, your quick start to Google Chrome.